Ready, action. Hello, everyone. I'm your cooking mentor and unrivaled Korean culinary YouTuber responsible for the taste buds of 1 million subscribers, bringing you this video packed with the full vibe of a 10-year veteran head broadcast writer. Today, I've planned the ultimate recipe to take charge of your stamina recovery for the upcoming summer. It's the Zero Odor, Deep and Savory Herbal Samgyetang Ginseng Chicken Soup.
Like a true 10-year broadcast writer, I'll break it down frame by frame so there's no time to be bored, directing it to be super easy and delicious, so stay tuned. Camera zoom in. First, here is today's cue sheet, the ingredient list.
Welcome to today's cue sheet for herbal samgyetang. We'll need 1 whole young chicken and 1 cup of soaked glutinous rice, plus 8 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, the jujubes, chestnuts, and ginseng.
Meow? The secret cheat code! Yes! 1 bottle of Samgyetang! Perfect! The power is unleashed. Time to enjoy the boost!
All right, let's get our sub-ingredients ready. 1 stalk of green onion for flavor, a handful of garlic cloves for aroma, and a pinch of salt to enhance. Let's adjust this broth.
Adding the mung beans now. Perfect. The thickness is just right.
Ready for the next step.
Gather your ingredients. Next, prep the veggies. Sauté in the pan. Finally, plate and serve.
First, mercilessly cut off the wingtips, neck, and tail. Next, split the belly open. Use chopsticks to scrape out the blood lumps. Rinse under water until it's completely clean. No gamey smell.
Pour half a cup of soju into the boiling water. Now add the chicken to blanch it slightly. This removes impurities and greasiness, making the broth clean.
Let's get this herbal broth started. In goes the pouch for a vigorous boil. Set the ginseng and jujube aside for later. Next, we'll stuff the chicken. Tightly stuff the chicken's belly with 2 spoons of pre-soaked mung beans and 1 spoon of glutinous rice. To prevent the filling from falling out, make a slit under the leg and cross the leg seductively to seal it.
The writer's second pro tip, magical Samgyetang diving. Submerge the prepared chicken with its legs crossed into the boiling herbal broth.
Here comes the secret that will explode our ratings. It only pouring perfects the deep flavor and tender meat texture of a premium herbal samgyetang you'd pay $50 for at a restaurant.
We're boiling it for a total of 40 minutes, and exactly when 20 minutes have passed, drop in 1 cup of soaked mung beans, 1 stalk of green onion, and a handful of whole garlic cloves.
Adding the garlic and green onions later ensures the herbal aroma doesn't die and makes the broth insanely savory. Boil it thoroughly like this for another 20 minutes. The 40-minute wait is over. Turn off the heat and fish out the herbal pouch. Transfer the mouth-watering chicken to an earthen pot, generously top it with chopped green onions, and bring it to the table while it's bubbling away. All right, everyone. Do you see the color of this broth? A deep, golden broth. Wow, this is crazy. It's so clean you wouldn't believe samgyetang went in, yet the deep herbal flavor feels like it's coating all my internal organs. Shall we tear off a chicken leg this time? Wow, the meat just falls apart along the grain. A quick dip in salt and 1 big bite. It's chewy but literally melts in my mouth. The finale is the highlight, right? This mung bean glutinous rice porridge that was resting inside the chicken's belly. It soaked up all that rich broth, so it's a peak of chewiness and savoriness. Anticarets.
Yes, how did you like today's cheat code herbal samgyetang, made by grinding the very soul of a 10-year head broadcast writer? If you just follow this recipe cue sheet, you'll get a standing ovation from your family this summer. I guarantee it.
If today's video properly stimulated your stomach, don't forget to press the Holy Trinity right now at the bottom of the screen. Subscribe, like, notification bell. Your single like determines the quality of my next meal.
I'll be back next week with an even more amazing and mouth-watering hit recipe. Until now, this has been your 1 million subscriber YouTuber taking charge of your dining table. Everyone, have a delicious day. Cut. Great job, everyone.